Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. I had a young lady of 71 show up here this last week, and she wanted her little pickup truck. She knew specifically what she wanted. She wanted her a little Chevy or GMC, half-ton, two-wheel drive, automatic with a 4.3. She knew exactly what she wanted. I went and found this little gal for her. It's pretty doggone good and straight for the age. It might have a few bruises and bumps here and there, but it's got new tires on it all the way around. She's pretty clean. There's no rust on her. Don't get a whole bunch of this from up here. Usually all this is gone. It's even the right color interior for her. Guy put new exhaust on it and everything for her. These things are little time capsules from down south. Just a nice straight little truck. I know you diesel boys out there kind of chuckle, but this will work for her. All she wants to do is haul her posies and stuff around. Kind of funny not seeing the bottom lip of that tailgate gone. Got a nice little sound to it. Nothing outrageous. Just a nice little straight truck. I hardly ever have anybody ask for a two-wheel drive. Seat's in real good shape. Just one little rip. The rest of it's in great shape. Had the transmission rebuilt earlier this year. It's a Jasper transmission in it, so it's got a transferable warranty on it for her. There's not an oil leak or anything on this motor. Runs out great. Y'all have a great day. Be safe out there. We'll see you all around. Thank you very much. Bye.